This is a terrific method that no one really talks about since it's so tough to put into practice. But don't worry, I'm here to help. You won't need any prior expertise, special talents, social media engagement, or money to get started earning money online. So let's get down to business and make some money. We'll teach you how to make at least these amounts every day using a Google trick. Remember that the strategy will only work if you follow the instructions to the T. If you make a mistake, the method will almost certainly fail. So pay attention and perhaps take notes in order to be effective and make money online.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Go on to moneypantry.com to get started. Once you've done that, you'll be sent to this website where you'll find some money-making tips, money-saving tips, and freebies. We only wanted to show you that to give you some context so that you could understand how it is related to our current method. Now, in a new tab, let's go to moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite. Make sure you spell it right because you'll be redirected to another page if you don't. Now, you'll notice on the page that you can get paid to write by using the websites listed on this platform, which will pay you a lot of money for each blog post that you create. Isn't it incredible? Furthermore, if we scroll down, there are several writing jobs to apply for as well as a wide variety of topics to read about. For the video, we'd want you to click on this button right here, Vibrant Life, which you can find right here. Continue watching the video to stay on track with this method's steps. Following your selection, you'll be directed to a page with writer's guidelines, where you'll find all the information that you need to know about what to write about so that the content of your blog post is in line with this. The processes for writing your own article are straightforward. You must first determine what this writing assignment will include. Then conduct research, read a little about the issue, and possibly search up other articles on the same topic, duplicate it, and send it to spinbot.com to be modified so that it appears as if you did it yourself. Apart from what we provided, you might want to look at the other links because, as you may know, it's simple to get on the internet and find whatever it is that interests you. The more interested you are in the subject, the more you'll have to write about it, and the better your output will be. We'll give you another bonus tip on how to produce outstanding articles if you stay with us until the very end of the video. So next, we'd like you to go to Quora.com, since this will be the primary source of all the information that you'll utilize in the articles that you'll be writing and submitting.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
You can log in using your Google or Facebook accounts, or you can create a new account right now if you don't have one. You may just log in if you have such an account. Pro tip, you don't need to create an account because all you'll be doing here is searching for information you need. You can search for all the information you need regarding any subject you want to discuss. I guarantee you that. Quora is amazing. You may find information for your articles on this site, copy it, and then go to spinbot.com to have the entire thing paraphrased or reconstructed so that it appears as if you wrote it yourself, which means that it won't have any copyright issues. You may use this to search for articles on your topic in the search box right here. So, this is the method's overall concept. To make things easier, you'll need Quora to give you the context of each post you write by simply searching for it on the Quora site. You can even get specifics on whatever you're curious about. I'm quite sure Quora already has it all. But here's a tip. Paraphrase everything so that you don't have to worry about copyright issues or plagiarism. Now let's open Google Docs. This is where we will enter or upload our articles to fix any grammar and spelling issues, as well as word misplacement, making the entire authoring process easier because you will not have to edit anything because Google Docs will do it for you. This is an entirely free service, so make use of these free online workstations as they might be able to help you in more ways than you think. Start organizing your articles in Google Docs by creating a brand new blank document. Also, rather than copying a complete article, you can start from the beginning with Google Docs. Instead of typing it in, another option is you may voice it. Here's how you'll go about it. From the Tools menu as displayed at the top, select Voice Typing. As a result, you'll speak into your computer or mobile device, and Google Docs will automatically copy and write it down for you. Moving on, writing for websites that we encountered earlier is another wonderful way to get additional money, just like this platform, listverse.com. This is a website where you can submit top 10 articles about everything. Gaming, movies, and television, as well as books, facts, and history are all available. Because there are so many niches, you can write on anything that interests you as a writer over here. So again, you just go on Quora and search for top 10s and make it as your article to be submitted on Listverse. So what you're going to do is register on these sites and be a writer. After that, you just repeat the method by searching for your content on Quora. After finding an article on Quora, you can just go to Spinbop and paraphrase it or paraphrase it yourself. After that, you go to Google Docs to check the grammar and spelling. Now, after all those are done, you can submit your articles and then earn cash. It's as easy as that.
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.